Okay guys, welcome back to Mentors YouTube channel once again. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best affiliate marketing funnel, or the best kind of funnel to use for your affiliate marketing business. All right, this video is going to be interesting for you. So now, before I get started, let me talk to you about Mentors. Mentors is an e-learning platform that empowers you to acquire high income digital skills from top and verified experts. We have different high quality courses. We have courses on affiliate marketing, Amazon KDP, e-commerce, graphic design, website design, social media marketing, and a whole lot of other categories. So you can start taking courses today to empower yourself and secure your financial future. Just go to submentors.com and get started. All right, so let's dive right in. So now, if you are going to ever do affiliate marketing business, there is a way to do it. Don't do it like a novice. So I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Just hold on. Let me show you the structure and the mind map, or the wireframe of the kind of funnel you should be using for your affiliate marketing business. Now, as you can see, this is the funnel map I have created. Now, this is how you should structure your sales funnel. Let me explain. Wherever you are getting traffic, whether Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Google, or anywhere at all you are getting traffic, ensure you are sending that traffic to a lead page. Do not, I repeat, do not send that traffic directly to your affiliate offer page. Don't do that. Ensure you are sending your traffic, all your traffic, to a lead capture page where you capture the details of the user or the prospect who are interested in buying from you. Now, you can either use an email funnel like this, or use a WhatsApp funnel. Okay, so if you cannot pay for an email autoresponder, use a WhatsApp sales funnel like this, and use automation to automate the messaging such that if people come to your lead capture page, once they enter your funnel, they can receive your automated messages. All right, I'll show you a particular software, a particular WhatsApp automation tool to use for this kind of thing. This is the best WhatsApp automation software I've seen. I will show you that in this video. So this is how you should do your affiliate marketing business. This is how you structure your affiliate marketing funnel. Okay, traffic to a lead page, to a thank you page, and to the offer page, then follow-up messages to your prospect. This is how to do it. Now I'm going to show you an example of a live funnel. Now, as you can see, this is a lead capture page for my own affiliate marketing course, the Affiliate Boss Super Affiliate System. All right, by the way, the Affiliate Boss Super Affiliate System is the ultimate affiliate marketing solution that has done all the hard work for you. All you have to do is to plug and play and get started right away. We have done the funnels, we have done the email copies, we have done the ad copies, we have done the ad creatives, videos and images. We have done almost all the hard work involved. All you have to do is to plug and play, and you can get started right away in the next 1 hour. Okay, that's what about that. So now, this is the best funnel to use for your affiliate marketing business. As you can see, this is the lead page. Once anybody comes here now, they are going to fill this form to get the free video we are promising them. Once they fill this form, they automatically get sent to the thank you page where they can access the free video they came for. Okay, you can also do it this way. You can also do it this way in order to, you can also do it in a different way. Once they opt in like this, send them to a thank you page that tells them to check their WhatsApp message, WhatsApp inbox, or to check their email for the link to the free gift you are promising them. That way you are trying to ensure that only people who are serious enters your funnel, and if they put wrong information, they cannot get what you are promising them. You can also do it that way, but most times people will enter their correct details. All right, but you can also do it that way, that you don't send them straight to the thank you page directly. Send them to a page that tells them what to do next on how to get the free gift you are promising them. You can do it that way too. So now, after they fill the form right here, they will not get sent to the thank you page that explains the business model you are teaching them about, that tells them, that give them more pre-sale information about what you are trying to sell to them. So a number of them will go ahead and watch the video and click the button to buy whatever you are selling. So that is how you should structure your affiliate marketing funnel. This is the best funnel for affiliate marketing. Okay, send traffic to a lead page, then from a lead page to a thank you page, from thank you page to the offer page you are promoting, then follow up to your leads, okay, to remind them, to educate them, to entertain them, to motivate them to buy what you are selling. This is how you have to do your affiliate marketing business. Now if you click here now, you will see to take them to the affiliate offer page where they can buy the course you are promoting, the product you are promoting. This is how you structure your affiliate marketing funnel henceforth. Okay, now this one I showed you is for WordPress. You can also use a platform like system.io. okay, I'll give you an affiliate link to use to get some discount for system.io. No, you don't need to get a discount yet, because you can use system.io for free. Okay, you don't need to pay. You can use it to design your sales funnel for free, just like the way I've done right here, almost similar. Okay, you can see, then you can see this is a lead page like this. This is a thank you page like this, built on system.io for free. I didn't pay to have this on system.io. okay, I didn't pay for it. So you can register on system.io and build your sales funnel on it for free. Okay, now you have seen the best funnel to use for your affiliate marketing business. I believe you are here because you are interested in affiliate marketing. Now I have something for you. If you are tired of struggling with affiliate marketing, there is a system that has done all the hard work for you, such that you only have to copy and paste, plug and play, and get started right away. That system is the Affiliate Boss Super Affiliate System. I told you about this in the beginning. Okay, now as you can see, this is a sales page for the Affiliate Boss system. Everything I've been done for you. So now you can see, so the funnels have been done for you. More than 20 funnels for WordPress and system.io. In case you don't have money to buy a WordPress domain name and hosting, you can just use system.io. I have designed the sales funnels for WordPress and system.io for you. Okay, then 45 plus email and ad copies, I've written them for you. All you need to do is to copy and paste. You don't need to pay expensive copywriters anymore. Then the ad creatives, the images and videos, done for you. The lead magnet and their covers, done for you. All the tools you need, I've provided them for you. Then the training, simple to understand training, also there for you. Then the support you need, also there for you, as well as updates. As you can see, this guy is one of my customers. He is saying that the course has it all. If you are interested in making money with affiliate marketing, then this is your one-stop bus stop. Okay, so as you can see, it has everything for you, plus you also get some amazing bonuses. So if you are interested in a system that has done all the hard work for you, click the link displayed click the link under this video, or the link shown on your screen to learn more, or look at the description of this video on YouTube to learn more about the system. So I can't wait to see you on the inside, guys. One love and peace out.